Willis Beats. Nero X. You do come with the pop star. Again. One cadet Hosanna. Hosanna. Cadet Hosanna. Hosanna. One cadet Hosanna. Hosanna. Afuti. A hofono. She one cadet Hosanna. Hosanna. Cadet Hosanna. Hosanna. Hosanna.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel again. So today I have this wig I received from Dollar Girl Hair, and it came in this pack. So in the pack it came with the wig and some goodies. So I have wig cap here. They have two of them inside. So yeah, this is what it looks like, and they also included elastic band, and they have their name on it. So this is a full lace wig. What that means is that you can part from anywhere. I'm going to show you shortly what it looks like, and it has a face cap. This face cap makes it to look even more natural when you part in the front, and they have combs to it. There are two combs at the front and one at the back, and there's another one in the middle. And the texture of this hair is good. The quality looks nice. And I'm going to wear this hair for you to see. You can see how the coils are. Is the body wave. So let me show you now quickly. Let me show you what it looks like inside this cap, because this is a full lace wig. You can just part anywhere and you will see its cap inside. This is a very good job they have done on this wig. I just love how nice and how beautiful this cap looks, parting from the front to the back. And like you can see in the hairline, it's already plucked, so I don't need to do anything. So I'm going ahead and applying my olive oil wrap and set styling mousse. This is like the bomb.com right now for me, and I'm going to use my hot comb to slick down the ends like this. This is necessary because when the hair comes in a pack, you might have been moved and thrown from one place to the other during shipping, so the front line might lose its shape. So it's good to just do this and keep everything aside. So this hair didn't come with any pattern, so I went ahead and did the side deep parts, and of course I'm going to use my hot iron comb, and I'm going to use my mousse also to repeat and keep this down. When you apply the olive oil wrap and set mousse, it just makes the hair to stay in one place. It also tames the flyaways and all that. I really recommend this, and it's nice. The volume is really good. This is not a sponsored post for this olive oil wrap and set, but I find this really good, and this is my second bottle now, and I really like it. So yeah, so when I finished, I just removed some hair that I felt didn't match my hairline. So that's all. I didn't really do any plucking, actually, just a little bit there over where I just showed. So this is me. I'm not wearing any wig cap today because this is a fake cap, so you should have all that covered. So I don't want it to be double when I want to wear a wig cap. So yeah, I'm testing this hairline on my own hairline to see if I need to cut too much from the ear side or to just cut around the wig alone. And this fits perfectly well, and I'm going to use the combs inside to secure this lace. I am not using any gel or any got-to-be spray, nothing. I just want to wear this hair just like that, and I create a little bit of baby hair to see what it's gonna look like, So yeah, on my hair again, I'm using this comb also to slim it down, just to get everything perfect before I go into the main install. It's necessary to get everything fitted before you cut, because in the past I've cut my lace and I made lots of mistakes because I didn't do all this process, and it's very important. So now that I'm pressing it down and I'm checking to see if I'm getting it right. So now while the lace on my head, I went ahead and perfected the parting. It's good to perfect the pattern when it's on your head. When it's on the mannequin head, you might not get the real shape of your face. So I went ahead and perfected that. You can see I didn't even pluck on the line, and this hair looks amazing. The part looks so natural. So I'm going to get this hair a wig off my head now and cut away all the lace, especially the lace in the back first. I'm cutting off the lace in the back and on the ear side. Then I'll do the remaining one on my head while it's on my head. So yeah, this is what I'm doing. So I'm putting the lace back, the wig back on my head now. And yeah, this is what it looks like. And I'm going to quickly try again and see if it's sitting well. And I'm using the combs. I'm using 3 combs, 2 on the side, ear to ear, and 1 at the back, and also the adjustable strap that came with the wig. I'm going to use everything and make sure that this wig will not go anywhere and it's sitting right. So now I'm going to cut away the front lace, and I'm using this eyebrow, is it eyebrow? Yeah, eyebrow razor that I got from my beauty supply shop close to me here. You can use scissors if you wish, but I see a lot of people using this, and I just said, okay, why not? Let me give it a try, and I kind of like it. So now I'm cutting one side already. Then I'm going to go ahead and cut the other part, you know. So yeah, after I finish cutting it, I make sure that everything is sitting well, you know. And when I see any part that didn't sit well or I didn't cut very well, I'm going to go ahead with my tiny scissors and straighten that up. So what is left for me to do now is to create baby hairs. I really want to do this because I'm not going to use any glue. I'm not going to use any kind of gum or any kind of gel for this hair. So I'll need baby hairs to cancel the hairline, the demarcation between the wig and my skin. So this baby hair is going to hide that. This is what it's supposed to mean. So yeah, I'm going to just separate some hair out like this, and I'm going to use the scissors to cut it out, or the razor blade, whichever one that is you have and whichever one works for you. So after that, I'm going to apply this olive oil, wrap and set. This is very, very, very good. I recommend this product. So so I'm going to just like create baby hairs. This is optional, but and your baby hairs doesn't have to look like mine. You can make yours better. I am still learning this baby hair thing, but you know, I don't always feel that I did enough. You know, like I still admire people when I see their baby hairs. I feel, oh, I wish I can do mine like that, but this is manageable for this video. So I created baby hairs on both of this side of my front hairline. Then I go ahead and repeat on my pattern, perfect it, and I use my powder, facial powder, to just go on the line. Then the next thing I'm going to do is to just tie the front down with any kind of scarf. Make sure that you tie it down firmly and leave it to dry for like 15 minutes or 10 to 15 minutes, whichever way. And when you are sure that it's dry, I'm back now and I'm going to remove it. And voila, you see how nice this is wrapped up for me. And I noticed that the lace is sticking out a little bit on the left hand side here. I'm going to cut that off. So guys, as you're seeing this wig right now, there is no glue, there is no gel, no got to be gel, no bold hold, nothing. It's just this olive oil wrap and set that is keeping this hair down. Like, yeah, so if you are afraid of losing your edges and you are not, you don't subscribe to using any kind of gel or whatever, so this is nice. But I can assure you that you can only wear this. This is just like a daily install. This is not something that you wear for 2-3 days, because I guess it's gonna come off. So yeah, this is what it looks like, and you can see I can shift this to show you that there is no glue. So I can shift it and put it back and make sure that it sets very well. This is the second time I'm showing you guys to know that there is no glue, there is no tape, there is no gel, nothing whatsoever, and this is my fastest and quickest install, and I really love the result. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to check the description link to get this hair, and see you in my next one. Bye.